What is up, you guys? My name is Andrew and this is Wanna Crypto, your guide in the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more difficult cryptocurrency terms made easy. We will start with the main news. Bitcoin Cash Network held a hard fork. It happened on the 15th of November. The first block in the Bitcoin ABC blockchain has added by the mining pool bitcoin.com. Coin trading has already started on Binance and the price of the coin is now around $240. Bloomberg scares us that the price of Bitcoin can continue to drop until $1,500. Analyst Mike McGlone stressed that the Bitcoin cash pump that preceded the hard fork destabilized the market situation and was one of the reasons for the collapse last week. He added that a negative financial report of Nvidia, in which the company disclosed the volume of excess products and gave a weak sales forecast for the fourth quarter. Despite the decline in the market, the demand for blockchain specialists continued to grow. According to the employment service Indeed.com, the demand for blockchain specialists in the USA has increased by 25% since October last year. According to the representatives of Indeed, now the situation has changed significantly. The hype associated with blockchain and cryptocurrency is gradually weakening. For comparison, from October 2016 to the same month in 2017, the number of search queries for employment in the industry increased by 481%, and the number of offers from employers for this sector by 325%. Just 2 weeks ago, I was in Moscow and visited the Tretyakov Gallery, a world-famous art gallery, and didn't even suspect that they are up to such things. The Tretyakov Gallery launched the My Tretyakov blockchain project, which will allow anyone who wants to digitize their exhibits, making them accessible to the whole world. This was reported by the press service of the company RDI Digital, acting as a project partner. An individual or a company that has invested in the digitization of art objects stored in gallery become their patrons. At the same time, the connection of the patron with a specific art object will be established randomly through the blockchain solution developed by the Austrian company Riddle & Co. President of Poland, Andrzej Duda, signed a bill introducing a 19% tax on income from operations with cryptocurrencies. According to the document, the profit from operations with cryptocurrencies equates to capital gains. The rate of 19% is the same for individuals and organizations. However, the tax isn't charged on converting one cryptocurrency to another, but only when exchanging digital assets for fiat money, goods, services, etc. In addition, the new legislation provides for a so-called solidarity tax in the amount of 4%, which is levied if the income from cryptocurrency exceeds 1 million Polish zlotys, it's about $250,000. Citizens will report annually in tax returns on operations with cryptocurrencies. The new rule should come into force in January 2019. The French authorities, who recently approved the regulation of the primary coin offerings, ICO, at the legislative level, started thinking about the taxation of this industry. The auditor of the working group on the legalization of ICO in France, Fabrice Evrard, commented about this to Reuters. The French government hasn't yet named specific tax rates for ICO, but experts note that in itself attracting investment through release of digital tokens should be subject to VAT at a rate of 20%. In turn, representatives of the local blockchain community hope that taxation of cryptocurrency projects will be preferential. It is expected that the rules of regulation of cryptocurrency will be presented by the French government in early 2019. I should also note that France, as a whole, has one of the highest levels of taxation, so the income of corporations and individuals are taxed up to 50%, and income tax is 47%. My name is Andrew from Wanna Crypto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me something nice in the comments, and see you in the next video. Peace!